Goodie guys, meron po tayong package na galing Shopee at bubuksan po natin at kailangan i-video natin para kung sakaling hindi ito yung package na dumating na in-order ko, pwede nating ibalik. Okay, let's go.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys. At ito, bubuksan ko na. Let's go.
Ayan. Maganda yung pagkakapackage guys. Secure na secure. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Ayan.
At ito na po ang chicharon na in-order ko. Na pinabili na sa akin. Ayan guys, chicharon yan. Pork chicharon. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you Shopee. Peace out. At shoutout nga po pala kay Lenre Berdera from Davao City. Thank you, idol.
Alright.